Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are out there for the last 50, 60 years. These concepts are not new at all. So, what has changed? The major change is around the advent of transformers. Still, many people, even those who are building these models based on this transformer model, they are bewildered, they are surprised as why there is so much optimized performance in terms of deep learning when it comes to transformers. In this paper, by all of these researchers, this question is being tried to answer. Now, according to these researchers, the thing is that the strong performance of transformers originates from an architectural bias towards something called as mesa-optimization. Mesa-optimization is a learned process running within the forward pass of a model consisting of the two steps. First step is the construction of an internal learning objective, and the second step is corresponding solution found through optimization. Now, they have tested it by using different methods. They have reverse engineered a series of autoregressive transformer trained on simple sequence modeling tasks, uncovering underlying gradient-based mass optimization algorithm driving the generation of predictions. They have also shown that the learned forward pass optimization algorithm can be immediately repurposed to solve supervised few shot tasks. They have also suggested that mesa optimization might underlie in the context learning capabilities of these LLMs. Another cool thing about this paper is that they have proposed a novel self attention layer, the mesa layer, that explicitly and efficiently solves optimization problems specified in the context. And there are a lot of other nuggets spread throughout this paper. I will share the link of this paper in video's description. So if you're interested, feel free and go have a read. A very nicely written paper, I would say. I hope you like the content. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.